Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the SAGA Airdrop Claim. You can check your eligibility now and know if you are going to receive the SAGA tokens. This is a very important project, and like always in my videos I am going to check a little bit about SAGA and then we go step by step with all the information in order for you to know that if you are going to be one of the receivers of this amazing airdrop. And the criteria, even if it's very specific, takes in consideration many communities like Atom community, TIA, Celestia community, Avalanche, Polygon and more. So this could be one of those interesting videos for you, so you can claim SAGA very soon. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, the SAGA Claim Airdrop distribution is already launched. They launched the documentation with all the eligible criteria and we are going to cover that. But first, let's talk a little bit about SAGA. This is a Web3 scalability protocol for the automated deployment of dedicated block spaces. SAGA is a layer 1 protocol that allows developers to automatically spin up, parallelize, and interoperable dedicated chains that elastically scale with their Web3 application needs. The SAGA OS is an integrated stack for Web3 application development, and you can find more information about the SAGA protocol in this link. Remember that all this information that I show in this Excel file is going to be on the fourth link of the description. All the links and everything is there. SAGA is probably to be launched in Q1, so the mainnet launch is very near. And they confirmed the community airdrop already, so the snapshot was already taken for season 1. Now we are in the season 2 of the airdrop, which is related to gaming. But we are going to cover first this official communication from the project. This is the point 1 here, the tweet for the SAGA community announcing the eligibility of this airdrop. First, you can see a little bit about the project in the website. Really cool website with a lot of animations and informations. Here you can see the airdrop information too. The community airdrop that we are going to see. In October was another innovator criteria airdrop for developers mostly. So here you have a lot of information about the roadmap, different news that has been covering already. And if you go to the Twitter account, 53k followers. And the pinned comment is the one that we are going to cover, which is the community airdrop eligibility criteria for SAGA. So go in that, this is the link of the post, and clicking here you have the Medium link, which has all the details. But like I mentioned before, all these communities are going to be part of this airdrop. So SAGA is a platform solution that automates the launching of dedicated block space such as Cosmos app chains, Celestia Rollup, Polygon CDK chains, and Avalanche subnets. As a sign of appreciation to those projects who believe in the SAGA technology and mission, certain members of the Celestia, Polygon, and Avalanche communities will be receiving an airdrop for Genesis SAGA tokens. And certain members of the Atom community will also receiving an airdrop for Genesis SAGA's tokens. So if you are participating in any of those communities, check this video until the end because you will need to know exactly if you are eligible or not. So like I mentioned, there was a previous airdrop for innovators. Here is the link for that Medium page, but we are going to cover the community airdrop. So the methodology of this airdrop is that every eligible participant in each community will be categorized into small, medium, and large airdrops, depending on certain criteria. Each tier receives 5x the airdrop of the last tier. So medium receive 5x the amount of small, large receive 5x the amount of medium, and large receive 25 the amount of the airdrop versus the small, right? So take that in consideration, and also there's a loyalty bonus multiplier that you also can get. So the eligible criteria. For the Atom community, the snapshot was already taken. There was more than 101,000 wallets. And one you have for increasing the stake from the 20th of April to the 20th of October. And second, if you had more than 25 atoms staked on the 20th of October. So these are the eligible criteria for the SAGA airdrop on the Atom community. There is a loyalty bonus for those who increase their stake by more than 30% during that time. So again, here are the dates of the snapshot, the eligibility criteria, and the categorization like we mentioned before. Small is to 0 to 33 percentile ranking of atoms staked at the end, so 25 to 64. Then the medium is from 64 to 188, and the large is more than that amount. Loyalty bonus is if you stake it at 30% of what you had before in those time frames. So you have many chances to have been eligible on this criteria and during these dates. If you have been a follower on this channel, you probably are going to be part of this because you have been staking Atom from a while. We have been covering many airdrops of Atom and Atom in the past. So you probably could be in one of those categories. For sure, you're going to be on the Celestia category. Snapshot dates for Celestia, the 7th of November, and the end was the 1st of December. So this is 2023, of course. Eligibility criteria, staking amount at the end, it should be more than 23 TIA tokens. And here you have the small is a 0 to a 33 percentile ranking of TIA staked at the end, from 23 to 99, that is the small. Medium from 99 to 204, and large is more than 204. In my case, I staked 168 TIA around those dates, so I probably will go into the category of medium for that in this category, and I probably will not get the loyalty bonus for that. Then for Polygon it's a little different. You also need to stake more than 300 Matics on the 20th of October, or wallets that bridge more than 0.4 Ethereum using the ZK AVM bridge are eligible for the SAGA airdrop. You know that I have been covering this ZK AVM airdrop from a while, so maybe you are participating on this airdrop because of that. Again, you can check the document to continue seeing the snapshots and the eligibility criteria, but maybe if you did not stake Matic tokens, you maybe have been breaching for the airdrop of ZK AVM of Polygon more than 0.4 Ethereum. And the similar criteria is for the Avalanche community. From the 20th of April to the 20th of October are eligible for the SAGA airdrop. Important thing about this airdrop is that SAGA airdrop needs to be claimed in their website. This is not live yet, but these are quotes from the page and the Discord. Every eligible airdrop recipient will need to manually claim in our claims page, which will go live soon. All the rewards will be claimable once we go in mainnet in late Q1 of this year. This from a quote of Discord from one of the admins. So we still cannot get the tokens yet, but you can see already here from what I have been talking if you are eligible or not. And the airdrop is not available for US residents, so if this is your case, you will need to use a VPN to claim this airdrop after. And if you don't have a VPN or you really don't understand that, then I would recommend you to join my private Discord. I have 2 subscriptions that you can join. One is for my private Discord, my private community, where we manage high level of information regarding airdrops and crypto. And of course we have a distribution channel for airdrops where many people is paying attention when we can claim this kind of airdrop, so you don't miss it. So I would recommend you to join my Discord so you don't miss any of these airdrops. And also I have an airdrop application. This app is going to help you a lot to apply to airdrops and have everything organized. Even if you are using a farming system to get more rewards, my app is going to help you. And here I have a video on how my app works. So join my community if you really want to be on the highest game of the airdrop path. So guys, that is all the information for the first season. The season 2 of the airdrop has been already started. I recommend you to go to the SAGA Twitter. Here you have some information of the CEO has been talking about the stress test of the testnet that they have. And you can check about the different games that are part of this season 2 of the play to earn. Check the link that I put there about this season. You can play these games and also get part of airdrops from the SAGA community. So that will be super interesting, and I recommend you to go and join also the Discord of SAGA. Here you will find a lot of information about this airdrop season 2 regarding where you can play the games and how you can earn all that. So join the community. It's a very super active community there of SAGA. So this is the SAGA Play to Airdrop Season 2. And here you have also information about that, but most of that is going to be on the Discord and Twitter account. So if you want to participate on that airdrop, just go and check those channels. So that is all the coverage for this claim of the SAGA airdrop. You can check your eligibility there, and remember to join my Discord so you don't miss the claim of this airdrop when the project launches. And SAGA is preparing a very big launch for the mainnet, and I think this could be a really good token for your portfolio for this next bull run. SAGA is a very important project for this bull run too, so I would recommend you to check this airdrop. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.